Ever wondered how to make the perfect coffee jelly? A question that piques the interest of many, particularly those with a penchant for the rich, robust flavor of coffee. Today, we're about to embark on a delectable journey into the world of coffee jelly. A dessert that's both unique and delightfully delicious. It originated from Japan and has since taken the world by storm. Imagine combining the invigorating taste of coffee with the refreshing, jiggly texture of jelly. It's a match made in heaven, especially for those who can't get enough of their daily caffeine fix. But what makes it so special? It's the perfect blend of bitter and sweet, with the smooth and silky texture of jelly adding a unique twist to the coffee experience. It's a dessert that's simple yet sophisticated and definitely worth trying at least once in your lifetime. So are you ready to delve deeper into the realm of coffee jelly? Stay tuned to discover the secret recipe to make the perfect coffee jelly. To craft this delightful dessert, gather these simple ingredients. First, we need instant coffee, the heart of our dish, delivering that rich, robust flavor we all love. Next, gelatin, the backbone of our jelly, providing the perfect wobble. Sugar lends a touch of sweetness, balancing the bitterness of the coffee. Water is essential to bring everything together. And cream, oh the cream, it adds a velvety smoothness, rounding off the taste beautifully. Now, with these ingredients at hand, you're ready to start brewing your coffee jelly. Here's the step-by-step process to brew your perfect coffee jelly. First off, you'll want to dissolve your coffee and sugar in hot water. It's simple, really. Just combine the two in a bowl and pour in hot water. Stir it well until everything is fully dissolved. You're aiming for a smooth, homogeneous mixture. Next up is the gelatin. Sprinkle this over your coffee mixture and stir. You'll need to be patient here. Keep stirring until the gelatin completely dissolves. No shortcuts, folks. The success of your coffee jelly hangs in the balance. Now it's time for the molds. Pour your mixture into your chosen molds. Be creative. Any shape or size will do. Once done, chill them in the fridge until they're set. This could take a few hours, so patience is key. Finally, the pièce de résistance, serving. Top your coffee jelly with a dollop of cream, or 2 or 3, who's counting? And there you have it, your perfect coffee jelly. Let's quickly go over the steps again. Start with brewing your favorite coffee. Combine it with unflavored gelatin and sugar. Then pour the mixture into a mold. Once it's chilled and firm, cut it into cubes and serve with sweetened cream. It's that simple. This coffee jelly recipe is not only easy to make, but it's also a delightful treat that can add a unique touch to any occasion. So next time you crave a coffee-infused dessert, remember this perfect coffee jelly recipe.